Danas, welcome back to another video. I am getting ready to organize this pan with stuff. But before I start, let me close this door. Before I start, I want to share something with you guys. You see, right here, so it's comfortable to do anything because I have the space. Turn this on. Don't mind this stuff. That's my closet. That's my jacket. I took that out 2 days ago and just hang it up there. I need to fix it. I need a white mirror right there. So instead of that black one, so I'm gonna get me one for Christmas. Put a white mirror there. That black mirror don't look good right there. So, but anyways, Christmas I come. I'm going to look at organizing for Christmas. So I decided to get some organizer, and I want to share something with you. Being in America, it has changed my life in many ways. When I used to be in Jamaica, I used to get up every day and every weekend. I used to get up every weekend and wash and change curtain because of the dust. So when I came to America and I have my own place and I'm working, I was accumulating a lot of stuff. When I tell you sheet, I have nowhere to put them. I put my basket, keep them in the closet, sheet after sheet and basket. So I am telling you, every time I'm sending to job, some of the sheet them I only use them once. A lot of them I never use them. A lot, and I mean a lot. So they were accumulated up and piling up. So I rinse them out, but I never use them. Like 80% of the sheet them that I did have, I never used them. I start sending them to Jamaica when I'm packing barrel. I send new sheets. So like said, okay, if I said give my cousin this sheet, I give them one of that sheet that I pull out and rinse out, fold it up for use. I give them that and I will give them a new sheet. I'm not gonna just give them the one that I already rinsed out. Sometimes I use them one time, but the sheets them in America, the quality is nice. And for where I am coming from, I would be so appreciated if I get a sheet, a second-hand sheet, which I don't think like, second-hand sheet because I never send a sheet that look wash out and old and no. I send sheet that I know that I would have accepted. So anyways, um if I'm giving somebody a sheet, I'll send sheet and share them up and say, give Tom this sheet and I send a new one with it. So if them don't want the one that we use, and a matter of fact, them ask me for use sheet too. People ask me for use sheet. So me own people and stranger ask me. So anyways, being here, it has teach me a lot to be humble. I was always humble, but to be even more humble. And it hurt me. I'm not drinking enough water today. So what I'm trying to say is that there was a time when I only have like 4 sheets. And then when I check my house, I have maybe like 50 sheets here. When I tell you, and I keep buying. So I keep buying. Suppose I tell you it's been like 2 years and I haven't bought a sheet. No, it's been like 2 years I have not bought a sheet. I stopped buying sheets. And let me tell you, I've been working for people before that only have one sheet. And when I tell you, those people have money because I am working for them and they are paying me. So to tell you, they only have one sheet. And I was doing that when I just came here, I was just doing that because that what if I was in Jamaica, I like to change my stuff. I don't like the same thing over and over and over. So being here, it kind of changed my mindset because guess what? Nobody cares. As long as my house clean, my sheet is clean, I have a washing machine in downstairs and a dryer. If my sheet dirty, I can wash it today, dry it, and put it right back on the bed. And it don't bother me. So I stay in my mind to start accepting that I don't need these things. I don't need it. If you look at my window, I don't put up any curtain. And that was the same exact thing with curtains. I used to buy curtain. So till my sister in Jamaica tell me, please don't send any more curtains or any more sheet. And when I tell you, when I used to live in Jamaica, my sister would be dying to get one of those sheets because it's expensive. Until she said, don't send anymore. Even my father tell me, don't send anymore. They don't have nowhere to put them. So I stopped buying because I don't need it. That was a waste of money to be buying sheets when I just need two good sheets. I mean, I have sheets right now, but I really don't use them. So, but a lot of them are warm sheet for winter. But I have this comforter on my bed last year. I have it on the whole winter. I wash it. It's a Hugs. I bought it at Bed Bath and Beyond before they close. Um, one of the location I went, West Caldwell, I think. I purchased that one in West Caldwell. I think so. And I decided to use that sheet throughout the whole winter last year. And I bought it like 3 years ago. But I keep changing it during the winter. Like if it's dirty, I put it in the machine downstairs, put it on delicate to dry by itself, just the sheet itself. Because you don't get comfortable with it. I just get sheet and pillowcase. So I will just wash that and just dry it and fold it and put it away. See, the winter come back in now, and look what I'm doing. I put the same sheet because it's so nice and warm and comfortable. It's the same sheet back on the bed and it's gonna be there for the whole winter this year because nobody cares. So whenever it's dirty and I get up in the morning, I just wash it and I'm not really using it like that just to cover my foot. So I don't need to wash it because I have two more other sheets on the bed, one to cover with, one to lay on. So the lay on sheet and the cover up sheet, I have to wash those. But I'm just saying this to say that we don't need these things. We really don't. Yeah, we can have a few just in case hard life hits and you can't afford it, but you don't have to store these things. You really don't. And I'm just accepting that. I don't buy. I just have one set of curtain in my house. No, I have a few little light curtains, color, because I really like them. I just hold on to them for, I don't know, maybe if I'm gonna keep a party or so I can use them as a backdrop. That's the only reason why I hold on to those. But my window is only my living room. The bedroom, I just buy nice blinds, put at my window, and just that's it. I am not putting up any curtain, run any curtain around. And yeah, your house might not look like a Caribbean person. The inside might not, but the outside does. I don't care. Like I reached that point now where I'm not killing up myself as long as I have food to eat and my house is clean and I know how I'm paying my bills. Yeah, I'm just not worrying, guys. That's where I'm at right now. But anyways, this video is gonna be a while, so let's just share this with you right now. Maybe I need to cut this video in two, but I'm just sharing. Maybe you could follow up with part two, because maybe this video is gonna be too long. And I wanted, all right, so you know what? I'm gonna do this as one video. But let's dive into it right now. This is let's show you. So this container, I have it with some sheets, and it was getting to me after a while. And you feel like your house is getting crowded and you're trying to make space. Being in Jamaica in a little two-bedroom house, it was crowded, because you have two bed in one room. You have furniture in there, so you barely have to squeeze to pass. I like space now. I don't want my house to be crowded. So every time I see this thing right in the corner, I'm like, I need to get rid of it. So I have this big black container here. This this big black container with sheets, and I really want to start them out. So what I'm going to do is show you what I buy. So I'm coming a little closer. This, you see, this is as small as it is. It's for sheets storage. I need to cut the bag. Okay, so this is sheet storage. Purchase this on Amazon. If you see this and you wanted it after I'm done, then you let me know. Wow. Okay, let's see what this is and how much it is. So, um, is this just for one sheet? I guess. Because these sheets are big. So these are like sheet bags, guys. And okay, now I got it. You know, if you really want, these are really nice. Mm-hmm. To put your sheets in. Can you see it? So let me see what I get. 1, 2, 3, 4, is 6. The one that I opened. Let's put that there. And let's start here with these sheets. Sometimes I feel like I'm on a live video. I really don't want to put my this is don't use this that much because of the fur. And you know, to be honest, maybe if these sheet used in Jamaica, I would have sent some of them already. But because these are winter sheets, mostly, I have a little thing at my bed. You know, those little seat that you use at your bed foot. Um, I have my what do you call that? I have my summer sheets in that thing on at my bedside. Okay. So I have 2 of these. And I promise you, if I could have sent these sheets to Jamaica, they maybe would have been here. Because I'm not using them. Really not. Come to think of it, I am going to put that one right there. I'm going to use this on that chair. Right there. So, as I said before, maybe if I could send them, but because Jamaica is so hot, let me see if this is going to full up this. Ah, I'm kind of coughing. I'm swallowing the saliva. Yep. Okay, so these are some white pillowcases. Those are winter pillowcases. Let me open another one because what I've realized is that these are really nice. They don't hold a lot, but those are like comforters. No, I think it can hold like a comforter. Yeah, like one comforter. I'm happy about these. See, all of these are the little bit of summer sheet that I have. I think I maybe have like five. Yeah, and I have those for a while now. As I said, I don't buy any sheet. Pillowcases. One of that pillowcases. That's for this. So the good thing about it now, I'm looking for a sheet. Everything is right here. What I mean? This can hold more stuff. But right now, um, get this big old container hold up here. Um, those another one. These can hold more stuff, but I just really want to organize them in order. Not really a lot of sheets. Get this big everlasting container. I could just put these behind my bed. I could just put these right behind my bed. Even though they said not to put things behind your bed. Cover for these. This is these are comforters. These are some nice, nice comforters. Them can use right through, not just in winter. They can use right during the summer. But to send them here to my family in Jamaica, they have to have washing machine to wash. And the dust, you know, all Jamaica stay already with the dust. Not easy. Deal with. I have to fold this a little bit smaller for it to fold. I'm telling you, if maybe use the sheet about 3 times. When I purchased this sheet, I purchased one. I purchased a queen size for my daughter, and I purchased a king size for myself, the same color. I bought them at Macy, very nice and thick. So these are a lifetime sheet, you know. But if you live in Jamaica, if I move to Jamaica, I would move with these sheets because they're quality and they're lifetime, you know. They're lifetime sheets. But it don't make any sense. It's still, yeah, it's still too wide. Right, let's go. Not good at folding, guys. Not my best folding. Heavy, heavy duty sheet. How about her bed? It's gonna be too big too big for her bed. Her bed is a twin bed. Oh God. It kind of still a little long. Alright. Put the pillowcase in here. That. Let's see. Same sheet, guys. This is another one. It is the same sheet. Just different color. Same material. I said my bed is so high. I could just slide these behind my bed. Not drunk. They said nothing mustn't be behind your bed, but I don't have to put them where eyes can see them. Where this basket was, I had something cover it. It wasn't like that. So I had something cover it, and I had things that piled up in it. With these now, my sweatpants for winter, I can always fold them and put this, and I could always pack them up on each other in a corner. You know what I mean? They don't have to be taking up a lot of space like that. I couldn't stand this anymore. I was getting annoyed, even though it wasn't like this. It was covered nicely, and things was on top of it, but it was just starting to get crowded, and I'm starting to feel miserable. The only problem I have with this, I have 6 pillows on my bed, and when you have a bed like that, you want to have pillowcase. With this, I could have get extra case with this, but with the others, I don't. So I have to have either white or blue plain color to put on the bed with this. At least I have 4 pillowcase for this sheet. That was something I was like, yeah, that's something for that. All right, so this red one does not have a pillowcase. So what I can do is also a long sheet. So just rest it on top of one of these. Can it fit? Of course. Can fit. It can also hold more stuff. I have two comforter in this and 2 pillowcases, and it could hold the other 2 pillowcases. So 2 comforter is in that, and it could hold pillowcase, but I don't want to put it. I have this little cushion blanket my daughter gave to me. Get it at Victoria's Secret, one of those places. Um, I am because you are. So much for me is made from what I learned from you. Oh, okay. At how far you go in life, I will always be your little girl. Yeah. And my daughter, they give this to me. It's cute. So I don't even use it. I use it maybe about 3 times, but things like this you don't give away. Get it from your children. Keep it. And I believe it can still hold in here. Yep, can. Right, so I think this one is done. Let's see. Guys, I wish I could come live with you doing this because it feels fun to interact with you doing this. Yep. This could hold more stuff, but I'm not gonna overload them. See, look, spaces are here, spaces. It could it could hold a light sheet I might add more things to this eventually. Alright, let's see now. These are pillowcases. They're, these are queen. This was when I just came here and I have queen bed, but now I have a king. So what I'm gonna do, these are queen size, but let me tell you something. I will use them to cover with. These are mostly my cover sheet. Yeah, I use these just to cover during the winter. Right now I have two on the bed, one for me, one for my husband. We don't really cover under the same. Very rare we under the same sheet. It have to be a king size. It's a king size, but then if it's this, like up in a one sheet. Wrap up in a one sheet. Times we end up covering a film sheet from time. All the time. When people sleep, you don't know what o'clock is strike. You just go sleep. Alright. I did bought these at JC Penney when I just came here and we had our second bed. Yeah. So I bought extra pillowcase. The other one is, I think the other one go to Jamaica by accident. Four, about four blue pillowcase, four blue, and I honestly think them end up at Jamaica. The one end up at Jamaica when me I pack sheets. Go down by accident, I think. I think my sister did say she see one blue sheet. And then me say it's okay, because I even use them to be honest. And I think there was a set for these two, I don't see it. Maybe end up down there. So one pillowcase alone left. Can't throw it away. Sometimes you can use it to have a baby bed downstairs. You can use that with a white sheet if it's not have a case. Who knows? Alright, so this is a little mini sheet. Pillowcase, huh? No one to put it on the bed downstairs. See, I'm like a mini bed. Let me left it in there. So, um, this is what is this? Oh, this is a protector. I bought this from because my bedded is board, and I bought this bedded cover on Amazon to put over the board because I don't know if it was the board was making me feel sick when the bed just by. Because sometimes you don't know when them spray upon the furniture, them now let's show you this. It's good, and I don't think it was that cheap. You can come in at this. But we usually cover the board because I don't know if I did that make me stuffy or what. But when it started to get uncomfortable, yeah, when it started to get uncomfortable, this can also close unless we have some extra. We push it at the corner. Um, what is this? All right, you see this? I'll tell you something. This white sheet was a comforter as well. Um, when my basement get flooded out, it was down there. Pillowcase them never did down there. So I ended up dash with those. What if I think on those? At the basement. This is also one. Pillowcase them in my closet, one in the bedroom, one closet in the bedroom. Have them pillowcase here. Seriously. I think so. Or maybe if it gonna have a look for it going on serious. in the closet. This the cover it in the this in the cover the pillowcase for these in the something with me have me summer sheet them in. Me nah put nothing more in this. You can see this. Keep on see. Like a live me the pan. I'm so used to being on live. Alright. So you can see what you have in here. So I'm bringing it up a little closer. This is what you have. So we can just look right this up through the mirror. I'm gonna see some I have two sheets in here. But as we say, if we take out the sheet out here, something no say the pillowcase have to be in this something way the summer sheet them in now. Because it have pillowcase, it have four pillowcase too. So it the which part they summer sheet them there. Because me use that sheet here in the summer, guys. Just to make my bed look pretty, but we don't cover it. We don't cover with it. Use it. Let's set it flat enough in the corner. Like that in the corner. That's it. You know, me not like. Never I realize the door, man. I don't like the door up in my video, so. I don't like the door. The door here. I don't like it. Alright, let's see what I want right. This could hold something else. Yeah. I have a light sheet here. So I didn't feel like this. Brown sheet for this step on the bed right now as a cover sheet. These are just the pillowcase for the brown sheet. We have four pillowcases. When we did I buy them sheet, you buy them on JC Penney. Them queen size here, they are from JC Penney. That time I just come up just come America and JC Penney I run the place, you know. JC Penney. I run the place, see me, you know. JC Penney used to buy my clothes and my everything, you know. So even if this they could have hold more, if them did more hack, it wouldn't be lean. Kind of lean a little bit, but it's because they are not well packed. So two sheet hole in that, guys. You see, two sheet hole in there. All right. So when we can put in a surround. This is this is when me that travel me get this on the plane. And two of them I have on the plane. You know them used to give them something up on the plane. This is also a cover sheet, and this is a summer sheet. Them 2 year summer sheet. Them forgot in the thing over there. So now we have one more sheet. Maybe I should have put it somewhere. Then are there. Don't know where the pillowcase them left in this car. They still have pillowcase. Maybe they end up at Jamaica too. Who knows? Those are going there. So then they have summer sheet. Um, Something else more to show you guys. So I'm only going to use four right now. Yeah. I'm using four for my sheet. See how much sheet we still have, but as we said, most of them are winter sheet. Maybe have like 5 or 6 sheets in there so this summer. And believe me, I only used one summer and it was an orange sheet. As soon as it washed, I can put it back on the bed this summer gone. Yeah, and it have this. It have them here full of curtains. I send some of them here to Jamaica too. These are some different kinds. We just send some of them to Jamaica. Different, them are different kinds. But it's the same storage. But what I really want to do is to put them wool here. You know, them. Because I don't know, we never do them wool here, you guys. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, want to sell them or donate them to somebody who will use them for a good cause, somebody who don't have it. We don't just want to give it. I needle in there. We don't just want to give it to anybody. We don't want to give it to somebody who can find a night dinner. I will give it. And there's things in there. I mean, that I didn't make them here, you know. See? Whatever should I make? But I give them to somebody who don't have it. And should I make just a scarf? It's got to a good cause, you know. Them can start a little business with it. Like if a hat them are gonna make them use it make hat. If a scarf them are gonna use it make them use it make scarf. Whatever they're going to use with it. But this can start somebody business. This right here, so can start somebody business. And that's what I would have want to give it to somebody who don't have it and want to start up a little business. I would give them everything. Not sell them it, but give it to them. This is a big thing. You know how much money what that gold this year? Maybe about $500 US dollar. And now honestly me I tell you, one of these wool I think is like $11 for one. Because of the large wool them here. 11, 12, 13, or $15 for one of them here on Amazon. Mm-hmm. So my goal is to, if I'm gonna donate them, I'm giving them to somebody who deserve it and wanted to start a business. Not somebody who is going to take it and just put it down. Yeah. The stuff in there will start make already. So even if the person is in Jamaica, as long as I know about them and they're willing to use it and start a little business, I would definitely give it to them. Or like a woman center in Jamaica with people there and them can do things but they are homeless and they don't have nothing but they have they can use it make things and get them sell out there on the street and are a resident, older people. Needle needle them in there. Mhm. Needles are here. More needle, all different kind of needle, knitting needle in them. Alright, so this now go hold nothing more. But I'm going to throw away this bag for a minute now. That big bag because it has torn, it's here. So mhm. You see, if I am sending a commercial bin to Jamaica, all I have to do is put pack it more, make everything hold in here. You know what? I just talk about that because this might end up at Jamaica. Let me just pack it where every single thing can hold in here. So this might end up sent to Jamaica. But as I say, I want to send it to somebody who now send it to somebody who can find. You don't want to send it to people who don't have it. care when nobody wants it. You know, I send it to somebody. Yeah, give it, you give it, but want to give it for a good cause. Okay? You want to just give it. Because it's not cheap. Everything about holiday because I just feel like if you ever come when the rightful owner forget it. Rightful owner. And these are some baby ones. You know what? These are some runner that I made. I made these. I mean I use them to be honest. All different color. Let me put them in here. Even them there, they can sell them. I'm not gonna make them. Let me get home, still not gonna make them. So okay. Just need to. I think I might put them in my storeroom. That's not what I really wanted, but that's where they're about to go. Give them out. Right. That is it. It's full. And still, you're not gonna hold everything. Another. Another. I'm gonna send it to Jamaica. This is how it's gonna go. Rest might tie up in another little bag. I'm gonna unpack this. I'm gonna unpack. I'm gonna give away to the rightful person who deserves it. Kasha, Renee, or Stephanie, or Andrew. Anyone who watch this video to this, let me know if you can make this stuff. Or if you know somebody who deserve this. You have to know how to eat and knit. Let me see now. Oh God. I gotta go check on the clothes them in the dryer. I'm gonna wrap this up guys. Because I'm trying to finish up. But I'm happy I reached this far. But I'm gonna get the point. Alright, that is out of here. Yeah. Out of here guys. Out of here. Somebody, I want to do this, you know. I wanted to do this. Somebody. I'm gonna send this to Jamaica. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna send this to Jamaica. Put it in our commercial bin and just ship it off. See that guys? Yeah. So when the right time, the person not gonna get it. The owner for this is going to get it. And for me to wrap up, this is empty. Okay, I'm gonna show you this. Put this in this thing. Alright. That goes outside. These, I'm gonna use one of these for my sweatpants, winter sweatpants. Like when winter finish I can put it in my closet. Yeah. Guys, on the ear how me board them son. You know say when I don't wet up on the board them, I'll keep wiping and wiping. It help too. You see there's something that when glue the board together, the water tend to mess up the glue, whatever they use, and it will cause the board to squeak. So you hear me friend? You hear what I squeak? So let me show now. This that I have it hold up now I use. Just do this with it. Yeah. See guys? Look nice. So I take out the other one and put it on that. The two of them don't have to have it. Okay? Good. Decoration. A little fashion. Anyways, pick up on yourself. Yeah, eat the road leave on the nose. Time to go. See? Them cute, right? Yep, that is it. I'm gonna you're gonna reach this far. Thank you. No? And please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Hit that like button. It will be if you don't know me, this is me. This is me. See? This is a have taste, me have fashion. Me a girl with taste. I mean the pillar no need it here. Because I'm not dryer, because I'm not dryer. Come back. I'm tired, me just a run up the stairs. Don't that look nice? You turn it good though? Yeah. If somebody wants to sit down and cut their butt right this. Try to neat as still. But that is it. Now one year have this color on it. But the reason why I put it like this too, I put this color in here. Sometimes my husband come from work and just put him back in the chair here. So that's the reason why I put this color in that chair. So now put it back. And this is the corner that I decided. Then there's nobody coming here, so but at least they look way more better, neater than that. You get a lot of you know, I took up this whole heap of space. I want to think in the comment section and if you really like this, um, what do you call it? Storage, sheet storage. You can look it up on Amazon or if you want this exact one, in the comment section and I will send you the link. Okay? Before me telling you, so me come back because we still at work. Yeah, we're not done. I'm gonna show you something else. Yep, this girl plan to show you something else what I can do with this container. Um, wow, just amazing. You know what I mean? Amazing. So I always have my pocketbook just just in my closet, spread out. See? Them just spread out. You don't want them bend up. So me say, you know what? Let's try keep them. What is this? What kind of money this year? So I have them, the big ones them. Cause the little one them, they can't shell up in the closet. But the big ones them, you see them? I decide to say, let me see if I told me I've left. I know I'm buying one that I want. In other bag. Oh, I have that belt here. Remember about it. This bag I not even use yet. Yeah, if I use, I just have them put on. I thank God. But I have the trip them I come up next year. My neighbor have them. Mhm. Just one at a time. I carry no only one for each trip. Just for that one. And for this, I show one of them. That black one. You see? Keep them protected. Um, I'll put one here. Show it. Now, sometimes keep them a whole guys. No one know more about not another one. And I'll never remember them. Alright. And this is when you're going away, you're not the same bag all the time. All the time. Here with you. So keep about them in yourself. And at least you know them all in yourself. Put this in. Thank you, Jesus. Find something else to do with this. Because my bag them they just throw down on the carpet. In a on the ground. Yes. That closet. Why not this? Yeah, I'm not sure. That's it. Yeah. All I'm gonna look about them put up. These are just my big bag. Not more big bag. I don't want no more. I can't do it. I'm not gonna just one bag for occasion. I don't want another bag. Really don't. The bag are gonna last me forever. Then a dry rat. But me wear them, never wear them. Two, one big one little one for my vacation. That's it. We don't need more than two bags when you go on vacation. Because you know you travel, so you want your pocketbook for when you go on the plane. You want that little bag there. One of them here for that with my suitcase. Carry on. And then now put one of them little one in the luggage. That is it. It fit perfectly and it no chaka chaka. So like, we carry one of them little one here. Them little one with and the big one when I go on vacation. I don't need if you go for 7 years, I don't need more than one bag. Just carry a black and a color. That will go with everything. Then if you carry 3, 4, 5, 6 bags, no. 5, 6, even if you bring three, because maybe if you go for a wedding, you want to bring a wedding bag. And if you know, say you go on the road every day, you need a little cross body bag. So like, okay, when I go to a wedding, just bring a little bag here, we go to the wedding, and then just carry this. You go on the road, you go walk, put your phone in this and you can. And just pack away, and we can look on them every time. Back then now was the problem. Right, that's it. That. Anyways, we're done answering. Now we're gone. Seriously, we're gone. Gonna stay with me long, not true? If you stay till the end of the video, put up on your hand and said, I stayed until the end of the video. Put up your hand and said, I stayed until the end of this video. When you take out a coat there, a green coat there, we have on this. You never carry it with me on my trip. My trip will come up in 2 days. 1 day. Alright. Adios, guys.